In this video, we will be working with borders as well as border radius. So let's start with that. So as you can see, we have customized our home page, and also we can see in the CSS editor, the CSS that we changed are now available. Let's try to remove it all. Okay, so you can see if you remove all, the website will come to the normal stage like it was earlier without any design or CSS changes. So let's try to add a border. So let's use this content and add a background to it. Okay, so now you can see we have a background. So let's try to add a border to this element. So click on the border and now select the border color. For example, if you want yellow, let's pick yellow and add the width. And now let's change the width to a solid width, or we can make it more bigger and we can see different styles like dotted, dashed, or let's keep it hidden. If you click on hidden, the border will not be able to be visible. You can change it to dashed, dotted, or solid for different styles and change the color from here. You can also make it opaque to transparent, and also we have functionality like if you don't want to add the border to the full area, we can add border to only left or right. For example, if you don't want on the top, you can remove it. If you don't want in the left, you can remove it or change the color. For example, see, you can see the top is hidden as well as the left is hidden. Let's try to change the color of left to orange, and let's change the bottom color to black and make it dashed. You can see the top is hidden, the left is dotted, and the bottom is dashed. So it was border. Now let's try to change the border shadow. Select the element, and now you can see border shadow. Let's change the radius and let's change the spread. Now you can see the border has a shadow. Let's try to change the color like the way you like, and you can also change the horizontal length as well as the vertical length. So it was box shadow. It can be applied to any element that you want. And now let's try to add shadow, or sorry, the border radius. So let's remove the border. As you can see, there is no border now. Let's try to add the radius. For example, you can see the border has a radius. On the edges, please try to see that the edges have rounded, so it looks very good. And you can also do other customization, like you can keep it simple or you can make it round. Thank you. Don't forget to save it and use different box shadows to make it more beautiful.